Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my VB planner. This is the VB Pink planner, and I am planning for the week of, let's see, we're in March. So it is the week of March 14th through the 20th. So I'll go ahead and take these pages off the disc. And I am going to be using one of my Villabeautifful sticker books. This is the sticker book from the Artesian VB kit. This was a collab. I can't remember who the collab was from. Oh, Studio 6 Plans. Right. And it says it's right here, but it says it right on the back. But this was a collab from the October 2021 kit, Artesian. So I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone. I think I am going to stop right there. Yeah, I think that's cute. Do I want to add anything else? Nope. I think we're gonna stop right there. So let me go ahead and put this back on the disc and see what it looks like. All right, that is it. Oh, there is one more thing I want to add. I saw Laura from Lala Plans Life add a circle, a transparent circle sticker to her VB calendar at the top. So let me see if I can find something in this color scheme. Okay, so I have this strip. I'm not sure where this is from. This is from the mini transparent sticker sheets, sticker packs, the little ones that came with the card. I think this is from Au Revoir, maybe. So, it is the 3rd week here. So I'm going to add that strip, and then I'm going to see if I can find some transparent circle stickers from this set. Let's see. Don't tell me I don't have any. Let's see. I may be able to find one in this. I've used all of those. Let's see. All right, let me go to another set. I think maybe this will be okay. Maybe one here. Let's see. Do I have any circles? Okay. So I think I'm going to add this one right here. I think this one matches pretty well. And I am going to mark Friday, which is our last day of school before summer break. I mean, for spring break. So that's it. I'm going to put it on Friday. All right. And that is it. So I really like how this turned out. Artesian is one of my favorite kits. And of course, I'm going to add my Artesian VB pen to go along with that spread. And that's it. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.